Hey guys, my husband is going to be here in just a second. He's going to bring the tools. Here he is. He's been begging me and frigging even right now is forcing me to do this video. He wants his hair cut, and to be honest, his hair is so shit right now. Look at that. Looks like you've been electrocuted. Sebastian has 2 sets of professional hair cutting scissors because his sister's a hairdresser.
Technically, I teethed these from my sister.
What's teethed?
Teethed. People know what teethed is. Babe, ow, I have a knot there.
Yeah, I know, I can see him.
My hair is shit right now.
Look at that. He doesn't have any hair care routine. Like, he doesn't.
No.
He washes his hair with like a bar of soap. Gosh, Napoleon. Obviously, normally your sister does it when we go back to Canada, but I don't know how to cut hair either. So this is not a tutorial. This is more of a fail video.
This is more of a challenge for Chloe.
Oh.
This is a cut my hair challenge for Chloe. That's exactly what it is.
You have needed this for a long time. Like, look at that. How long has that not been there? That's what I want to know.
But see, when that happens, I just rip it off, to be honest.
Oh, there's something in there. An animal or something.
Okay, you're so dramatic.
I'm cutting it off.
She's so dramatic.
First step, just cut out the wads. Oh, I know. Hold that. Ew, they don't want to see that.
Oh my god.
Ew, look at it. Let's get a before and after picture.
Should I change my shirt?
Yeah. Sebastian had to change his shirt so you can see what we're dealing with a little bit more. As you can see, his hair is very long and...
I just put shampoo in it.
What shampoo?
Herbal essence.
Oh, but that's nice. But do you condition it?
Well, recently.
Okay, yeah.
Since I've been getting knots, like just recently.
Okay, yeah. Because his hair is very long, as you can see, and he doesn't brush it. If you just face that way. Face that way. He's glitching out. So Sebastian's hair, though, if I lift up this little layer here, he's got this lower layer because a long time ago, when we were first engaged, he had like an undercut where it was shaved underneath. So now he's a bit uneven. So I now have the opportunity to fix that up because it's been pissing me off. First
off, you haven't asked me how long I want to keep it.
How long do you want to keep it?
I just want to cut this much off.
That's boring. No one's going to watch that. We have to do something fun.
Okay.
I'm thinking.
All right, how about this?
Soft layers.
Me.
Ooh, I'm gonna give him the Rachel.
The Rachel?
But you don't want much off.
You know what surprised me? I don't GTF.
I do GAF. I do GAF. I think I should just cut off the dead shit and make it even. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it, okay?
Okay.
I'm just gonna make it even.
Oh.
No. Don't stress. This is just...
I'm already stressing. I feel like you just cut like a lot.
Well, I cut the undercut up to the undercut.
What does that mean?
I cut the longer part up to the undercut here.
Yeah, but what does that mean?
So I made the longer part the same length as the undercut. Look at how blonde your hair is. Can you see how light his hair was? Into the bin. Okay, so this is what I did. Try not to move, hey? You're very fidgety.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I think we're almost done. I mean, that's really good.
I don't even know how long this took me to grow.
You've been growing it. I remember when your sister cut it into the bob.
That was a...
For the undercut.
Bora Bora. We went to Bora Bora.
Ew! You haven't cut your hair since 2016?
Yeah. That's crazy, yeah.
Wow. You are a jungle man.
Damn, that's a bit...
You're real life Tarzan. Face here so everyone can see what I did.
Oh, man.
Your hair's uneven.
You just cut it, so yeah.
I mean, I don't... Okay, I'm just gonna take it by sections and do that thing how they go like this. So just softening it all out so it's not harsh. We're not doing like a 90s harsh cut. We're doing like a modern...
It's so funny.
Don't move!
Hold on. It's so funny because she's talking like she knows what she's doing. Go on.
Have faith, gosh.
Oh god.
I've had like a million haircuts in my life. I know exactly what to do. It's not that hard. It's not like people study for years and do apprenticeships for hair salons or anything. Oops, I almost cut myself.
Don't cut yourself.
Fantastic. Stop playing with my stuff. Oh, that's... He's playing with his own hair. Show him what you're doing. He's just like brushing it. Stop it. I don't know why, but I've gone to the other side because I feel like going from the out and in, I feel like that's the best method. And we're just using hacking motions.
Oh god.
Oh shit, I went a bit short there.
I can already imagine the people that actually cut hair. What they're actually
Oh,
thinking.
we're gonna get some hate comments.
Oh, for sure.
I fucked that one up a bit. It's a bit harsh. I need those scissors that your sister has. Sit straight so you're looking. If you want to look, have this. Hold this mirror.
No, I don't want to see.
Hold it. I'm sick of you looking around. Just hold it like that if you want to see yourself or something.
Oh, my God. Oh, there you go.
There, you can see. See?
Wow, my hair's so crooked.
Where?
That's crooked as shit.
Well,
isn't it?
you're moving your head.
Yeah, seriously, my hair's crooked.
Look, we'll look at that in a sec. I'm just gonna layer first. Is it? Vote in the comments.
This side is lower, that side's longer.
Yeah, this side's longer. Even it out. But little bits at a time so we don't screw anything up too majorly. In high school, I cut my own hair and I went to school the next day and I thought it looked really hot until someone goes, "Did you cut your own hair?"
What?
And it wasn't even like, "Did you get a haircut?" It was like, "Did you cut your own hair?" And like she knew. Oops. Felt that, didn't you?
I did.
That make you feel alive?
Oh, very. It's still crooked.
Straighten. No, that is not crooked.
Isn't it?
No. It's just your hair is uneven. But I think I need some layers because these pieces are dead.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't do layers. Just, that's all I want. That's fine. That's cool.
You don't want a bit?
Nah, I think I might.
What about the bits around your face?
No, leave them.
Well, what's the point? What's the point of this video? I'm just gonna trim these bits.
No.
That's what they do. See, they were dead. They were long dead. You needed me to get that. Babe, please. I'm doing it so good. That was really good. See, look, so subtle. Look at that. Look at that. Profesh. Good, right? Is that hurting?
It's pulling.
Yeah. I mean, that's good. I feel like it's a bit blunt.
Well, yeah. Like, I'm gonna be tying it and stuff, so it's alright.
I'm just gonna take the top layer and do this, okay? Ow!
Did you just cut yourself?
Almost.
No.
So what is it about long hair that you like? It's just part of your identity.
I guess it is just part of my identity.
If you were to go and get it properly cut, I wonder if they could tell that it had not been properly cut.
For real though, what do you do with your hair?
Well, I use a scalp cleanser and then I wash my hair and then I condition my hair, and then when I get out I like comb it immediately but from the bottom. And then I put a hair treatment in the root, like in the ends of it, and then I normally just let it air dry. But these days I've been styling it more because I found out that it looks better when you actually style it.
May I just say, I already feel like a different person.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what a good haircut does, and a bad haircut ruins your fucking life. I had one once and I never recovered.
Oh, that was terrible.
Honestly, I did a better job than that guy that did my hair.
Wow.
A way better job on you than that guy did. And I hope he's watching so he learns a thing or two. So that was like really bad. That was not even...
Are you like done? I'm nervous now.
Just test, like if you had to put it in a bun, how would it look? Beautiful.
Like a dude bun, right?
Very Jane Eyre.
Ooh, it feels soft.
Does it feel better?
Oh, way better.
Yeah, way better, right? I actually
So
think I did
much
a good
better.
job.
Yeah. I don't know if she did straight
See, look,
or
look,
what.
look, it looks natural. It looks just like you. Sorry, I was just like... It looks really good. It looks just like how you normally do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Cool. Yeah. I'm happy. I don't know what it looks like, but yeah, I'm happy. So, oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I did good. I wasn't gonna like make you look ugly.
Like it looks a bit. It looks a bit like. I really don't give a fuck. Looks good.
Wait.
It looks kind of choppy.
Okay, wait. No, now is when. Yeah, okay. Okay, well, we're not done. We have time. Don't. Look. Who's the hairdresser here?
Easy. I like.
Ooh, what happened here?
What the fuck did you do?
It's just that these pieces need to be cut. That must be what they do.
Yeah. Those are the front though.
Yeah.
Nah, just leave them.
No. Trust me, I'm a doctor.
Leave them.
Please, Sebby.
Alright, cut them.
I'm not gonna cut them a lot. I will just do this. Ready? You twist. See? You cannot complain about that. That looks great.
That looks good.
Thank you.
Guys, what do you think? Is she a natural or is she not a natural?
Can't get over Kevin Bacon in that movie.
He wasn't Kevin Bacon.
Yes, it was.
No,
I don't care
it
what
wasn't.
anyone says. Kevin Bacon is that guy.
No, he's not. We just finished watching a movie, Taking Lives, with Angelina Jolie and
Kevin Bacon.
it's not Kevin Bacon. Shit, now I even forgot his name. Ethan Hawke. She thinks Ethan Hawke looks like Kevin Bacon.
They are the same person.
They are not the same person.
You move way too much.
Yeah, that's why I probably don't go to the, hairstylist that much.
That'll do.
That's not something that...
Mm.
Are we done?
I didn't want to do this in the first place, and now...
Yeah, but this challenge is way over. You did a really good job, I think.
So this is the finished look. That's good, right? That's how you have it. It's a lot shorter.
It's shorter, but it feels different. Like,
It feels better.
oh yeah, way better.
He couldn't even run his hands through it before.
Nah.
And it won't take long to grow out. If you want to grow it more, then I've got some like special shampoo for hair growth.
This is great. This is honestly great, and I really don't care. That's why I'm just like messing around.
Good.
Well then. Ow.
Pinched his butt. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our joint channel called Seba y Chloe.
It's our travel vlog channel.
That Seba does all the videos for, and he's really good. Thank you for watching.
Guys, please rate Chloe's job on my hair.
I think I did alright. I've got some techniques.
You've learned something over the years.
Yeah.
Good.
Will you let me pluck your eyebrows now? Yes. That's a yes.